Welcome to another informative video from Insurance Funda. Today, let's have a detailed look at LIC's Jeevan Labh plan. Jeevan Labh is one of the most popular insurance plans among the millennials. What could be the reason? Well, watch this video and all your questions will be answered. Jeevan Labh is a with-profit endowment assurance plan. With profit means profit of LIC is shared to the policyholder in the form of bonus. As it is an endowment plan, maturity benefit is paid at the end of the term, and the maturity benefit includes sum assured plus accrued bonus and the final additional bonus. The plan provides insurance cover equal to sum assured plus bonuses accrued. The main attractions of Jeevan Labh plan includes high maturity benefit and premium holidays. Let's see what they are. 3 terms are available for Jeevan Labh plan. For the 25-year term plan, you need to pay premium only up to 16 years. For 21-year term, premium has to be paid for 15 years, and for 16-year term plan, premium payment is limited to 10 years. Jeevan Labh plan can help you in the financial planning of your family in several ways. Let's see how this plan can secure the future of your children. Marriage and educational expenses of your child can be met easily with this plan. Jeevan Labh can secure your future also by creating a pension fund to get a regular income during your retired life. You can also plan for any future needs like building your house or a foreign trip, as the case may be. Jeevan Labh also have some powerful riders such as Critical Illness Rider (CIR), which will help you to tide over difficult situations arising due to major illness. Accidental death and disability benefit can provide special benefits in case of an accidental death or permanent disability. Liquidity in the form of loans and tax benefits on the premium paid and maturity benefit makes Jeevan Labh a complete plan. Mr. Rahul, who is 30 years old, would like to create a retirement fund at the age of 55. Let's see how this can be planned. Mr. Rahul takes 25-year Jeevan Labh plan of 20 lakh sum assured. He can expect a pension fund of 52.5 lakh on his 55th age. This maturity benefit includes the bonus of 23.5 lakh and bonus of 9 lakh calculated as per the latest declared rates. The total premium paid by Rahul in 16 years will be just 14.8 lakhs for a 20 lakh sum insured policy. Rahul can enjoy a tax benefit on premium paid to the terms of 28739 per year. The total tax benefit in 16 years shall be 4,60,144. So the net premium paid by Rahul for a pension fund of 52.5 lakhs is just 10 lakhs. This illustration will help you to understand the benefits of the plan clearly. Premium of 92500 is paid by Rahul only up to age 46. Rahul also enjoys a life insurance coverage ranging from 20 lakh to 52.5 lakh during the term of the policy. If you want to calculate the benefits of Jeevan Labh plan based on your details, you can download the Insurance Funda's Android app Smart All-in-One Calculator from Play Store. Link is provided in the description box below. Thank you and have a nice day.